Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here we've got an absolutely beautiful Ford Focus RS. It's a Gen 3 Mark III RS based on the Focus Gen 3.5 in beautiful optional nitrous blue, which is actually a lovely metallic colour when you see it in the sun. It's got all this lovely specks in there. Hopefully you can see it along the edges. It's absolutely unmarked, very low mileage as well. Now these third generation Focus RSs are very special because they're the only generation with a four-wheel drive system. So normally it runs front wheel drive, but it will direct up to 70% of power, 70% of torque to the rear wheels, and potentially even just one wheel. Ford's developed that system themselves. They didn't use a off-the-shelf four-wheel drive system because they didn't think they were dynamic enough, the Heldex system, etc. So they developed their own version of a four-wheel drive system. So it has some really exciting driving options. So it can be running normal, sport, drift, or track mode. So it's got that side completely customizable, as well as having the switchable dampers as well. So it is a very potent and exciting car to drive. There is also a huge amount of options on this car, basically everything except the sunroof that could be spec'd on these cars. Everything else has been spec'd on this car. So it has the lovely satin black forged alloy wheels. It has the blue painted Brembo Callipers, has the folding mirrors. It has the reversing camera as well, and then it has the parking sensors as well on the outside there. So some really nice options on the outside. It has the folding mirrors, which also are a nice touch. This car's also been installed with the Ghost Immobiliser system, so it's fully secure, as well as having the standard alarm immobiliser. It's got that Ghost override, so even with the key, you won't be able to start this car without pressing a combination of keys within the car to get it started. So it just makes it a little bit extra secure. It does have keyless entry and keyless go, but the Ghost system sort of makes it a bit more secure if it's on your driveway. Brakes are in great condition, tyres are in great condition. They're matching Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Just show you the treads. So there's a tread on the front. There's a tread on the rear. Wheels are also in fantastic condition as well, as is the rest of the car. We've machine polished and waxed this car, and it, as you can see, looks absolutely sensational. Now on the inside, the options continue with things like the optional Recaro bucket seats, the shell seats as they're known. They do have adjustable backs, so they're not fixed bucket seats. But if I show you from the rear, you can see they have that lovely contoured shell back on them. Relatively lightweight seats. Has all the stitching in the nitrous blue as well, which matches the exterior. And also the seats are half Alcantara, half leather, which again makes it add to the sporty appearance of the car. It's got the blue stitched gear knob and also the handbrake as well, and then it has the SYNC3 system. So this car was registered, let me just grab the date, registered 31st of May 2017. So it has the SYNC3 system with CarPlay, and I'll show you that running. Has the 2-zone climate control as well, and it has like full Bluetooth as well. It's got the lovely RS kick plates there. Oh, and the optional door protectors, so door edge protectors, so those pop out automatically. So as I said, this has got every option that you could get apart from that sunroof. So the sunroof is something that a lot of people probably wouldn't want on an RS, so it's good it hasn't got it. So there's the rear boot. Just show you that it's got all of the bits in there that it should do. And let me get it started first. But before I do that, I'll show you it's covered just 10,680 miles, so very low mileage car. I'll just get it started. So I've got it started now, and yeah, it sounds absolutely fantastic. It's a 2.3 litre inline 4 with 345 horsepower, 347 foot-pounds of torque, and it'll do 16 around 4.5 seconds, 4.6 seconds I think it is. There's the CarPlay system all running. It also has these extra dials, being the Focus RS, so it's got the boost, turbo boost there. It's got this lovely flat-bottomed RS steering wheel with the RS there, RS Performance, and then also the blue stitching to match the rest. It's got the full technology. Oh, it's got the luxury package, but I'll go through all of that. We've put together a file, which we do for all of our cars, which shows the full options of the car, the service history, as well as having invoices that come with the car as well. Obviously it's a 6-speed manual. They were all 6-speed manuals. The CarPlay, you can either plug in your phone through this USB here, or as I've done, you can plug it into this one there to get it all running off your phone. But you've also got yeah, there's the Ford system, so it has got its own standalone navigation system as well, so you don't need your phone connected, and it's got Bluetooth as well, and obviously a CD player there as well. There's the 2-zone climate control. AC works absolutely perfectly, and it's got the 4 drive modes, as I said. So if you there's the sport, there's the race, there's the drift mode, and then there's normal mode as well. Then you've got the suspension settings as well, which are controlled via this stalk here. So there's the sport suspension, and that's it turned off, all activated there. It's got voice control as well, cruise control. It's got all the buttons on the steering wheel to control the central computer there, as well as the volume and stuff on the stereo, as well as the cruise control. So everything is there. It's got auto lights as well, full electric windows, and those folding mirrors as well, which were optional. I'll just show you the engine bay. So there is the 2.3 litre turbocharged engine, as I said, 345 horsepower. It's got a K&N filter, and other than that, it's completely standard. Hasn't been remapped or anything like that. And then also, this car obviously comes with the file I mentioned, so it's got the full spec of the car, so everything from the size of the car. So as I said, it's got 166 mile an hour top speed. It's just under 1.6 tons. They're produced in Germany, just like the rest of the Focuses are. 51 litre fuel tank. And yeah, as I said, 4x4 all-wheel drive. Then this is the full, so you can view this PDF on our website, on the advert, so you can see the full options list for yourself. But basically the optional features on this car: Nitrous Blue paintwork, Recaro Shell race molded seats in charcoal black with Salerno Leather, 19-inch 5x2 spoke satin lightweight alloy wheels, Brembo Callipers in Nitrous Blue, Ford SYNC3 navigation system, the Sony Premium 10-speaker 390 watt sound system, so you had to pay extra for that, rear view camera, door edge protection system, and the active city stop, so that's start stop system. Luxury pack, which you can disable as well. It's got the button there. It's got the luxury pack, which includes the folding mirrors with electric operation, heating, and integrated turn signals, rear parking distance sensors, privacy rear glass windows, cruise control, and the keyless. And then it's got the Ghost to auto watch security system, and then all the standard features are listed there as well, so they come very highly spec'd, as well as having those options that this car has. And then it's got all the full service history there laid out on the PDF, and then we've got HPI checks, MOTs, and invoices there as well of the car. The car will also come with a little picture frame with the car. This is an example of another car that we've got, but basically it will have 2 pictures of the car, which you can have on your desk, which pictures we've taken. Then it also comes with this lovely plinth with the sort of like the technical drawings of the Focus RS, so that's going to come with the car as well. That's printed on like a blue slate, which is lovely. So definitely one for the collectors, this car, because it's got those lovely, not only all those options, and it's in fantastic condition with low mileage, but also it comes with all the provenance history. Has the original leather wallet, has the 2 original Focus RS keys, and it has all the tools, the original stamped service book as well. That's all stamped up to date. It was last serviced in March. Let me just look it up. Serviced in March, I think, of this year. No, April. It was serviced April 2024 at FJRS Ford RS Specialist in Braintree, Essex. So it's been serviced. It's got a full service history. And it looks absolutely sensational, as you can see, ready to be enjoyed. These are so much fun on the road. They feel really alive, plenty of power as well, and yeah, it's a nice size hot hatch with that 4-wheel drive system as well. It just, yeah, really is a great handling, high performance hatchback, and one to cherish. If you are interested in this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.